Hello everyone, welcome to Beautiful Arts and Decoration. In today's video we are going to see about our Gangayamman Kovil Tiruvizha or festival. This festival will be conducted early once only in the month of May and June. Gangamma Tiruvizha is most popular in Chittoor and Gudiyatham only. And today we are going to see the next town of Gudiyatham only. This is the temple which has the head of Gangayamma, which is also called as Sirasu in Tamil. Probably the head of Gangamma will be kept inside the town temple, but due to lockdown, it has been kept in this Radhakrishna temple. And this is the Hanuman statue, which is situated opposite to the Radhakrishna temple. This is just a view of Radhakrishna temple. Inside you can see garlands to do puja for Gangamma. Okay, let's move to the temple. This is early morning, 1 o'clock. You can see only 5 to 6 people will be there near to the temple. And this is the overlook of Gangayamman temple. Now you guys seeing the Gopuram of Gangayamman. As you come this side, you can see the mother of Gangayamma and she is called as Bhattasarathi Amma. All the rituals, ceremonies, pujas will be first done to Bhattasarathi Amman only. Then after only they will do puja to Gangayamman. As you can see there, they are decorating the Karagam there. The Karagam has the first preference, which will be always near to the Gangayamman. They are fully decorating with garlands and flowers only. And this is the entire look of the Gangayamman temple. This is the Tirsulam of the Gangayamman, which is kept at the entrance of the temple. As you can see that is only Gangayamman. This is the closest view of her. Due to lockdown, no peoples were allowed to go inside the temple. They should only worship away from the temple. And Gangayamman has totally 10 ants, 5 ants each of her side. People have started to gather near the temple to worship Gangayamman. And this was early morning, 2 o'clock. You can see only less number of members will be sitting down due to lockdown. And now people started to gather in the Radhakrishna temple because the Gangayamman Sirasu was inside the temple only. And now you can hear the real sounds of Gangayamman. They started to do puja for her. And guys, now you can see the Gangai Amman Sirisu, the head part of her. Now she started to move to her temple. Now I am going to show the closest view of the previous video. See, this is the face of Gangai. And now she starts to move inside the temple. All the puja ceremonies has been done inside the temple only, and people has been watching it from away the temple. The puja which was done inside the temple was this only. You can see that they are fixing the head to the Gangai Amman. That's all guys, this is the entire look of Gangai Amman. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.